Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony premium cloth seat trim, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine block heater, interior plus package, convenience package, wheels, 17 inches, 43.2 centimeters, machined aluminum, wheels, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, LPO, bed rail protectors, rear vision camera, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.